Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about frequently asked questions or guides within the Ecency.com. So when new users log in, what they will get is they will get some wizard like this. So it guides them throughout the interface. So this is just simple interface information which gives new user about what Ecency is, how they can get different information from different feeds. And then once they go through that wizard, they can still access it from information icon. And, and the idea here is to guide users through the interface. And we're planning to improve this functionality and add more wizards and guide user wherever they are inside the website. So you can learn and interact with the website and improve their knowledge about the interface along the way. And to help this functionality, we added another functionality which is called floating frequently asked questions. Of course, you can go to the frequently asked questions and you can find answer to your questions, and many frequently asked questions can be found from here. The simple thing to do is just search for the whichever functionality you're looking for. Let's say you want to know how the promotion works, how to promote the content. So you can go here and search promoting specific promotion information will come up here. And if you don't want to go to the frequently asked questions, you can, let's say you are the user and you are exploring the page. And when you go to any post or any page, let's say you go to the post page, you can see here on the bottom of the screen, we have a help button. And if you click here, you will get information related to this specific page. For example, when you're viewing the content, when you're reading the content, you have different information on the screen about the author, about the reputation, and so on. So we try to give some suggestions where you can learn about these things, or you can also do the search, quick search. And if you are on a profile page, let's say we're visiting this author, and on their profile, you can get more information. Let's say if you go to their posts and comments or wallets, let's say we go to their posts and we can see that suggested articles are changing, and you can learn more about each of this by clicking on them. And this changes because you are on a different page and you are expected to learn about, if you have questions, you are likely to have questions about these topics because you are in a wallet page, for example, you want to know what this token is, and you can get more information on the screen. And also about resource credits and all these related articles. If you go to the communities and you want to visit any communities, let's say for this be Hive, let's say we are in a community, then we get something different. We get more information about feeds, how the promotion icon works, and how the feed showing up, and what that means, and all this information like promoted icons, some related suggestions here. An idea here is to help the new users who are joining Ecency to learn each part of the page one by one, and we will of course improve the guiding wizard as well. And besides that, you can always click on the help button and learn more about specific functionality within the page. And we are working to improve this functionality. If you have any questions and suggestions for improvement, do let us know and we will consider adding them in future iterations. Right now, you can find the most frequently asked questions and answers here on the screen. And you can go to the frequently asked question page as well. And this is quicker access from any page. You can access this and try to find the answer to your questions. If you cannot find the answer, you can always click here and contact us directly through email. It will open up email and send us email, and we try to reply to the emails within 24 hours. And if you have questions which you cannot find answer, feel free to contact us here. And in future iterations, we're planning to improve this and add more functionality so that new users, new people joining Ecency can easily find information what they're looking for and how the functionality works and so on. Thank you.